Welcome to the Okanagan Science Center Online, a safe source for science, which you can do in your own home. Now, we're talking about light. Most of the light we use actually comes from the sun, of course. Now, we can go outside on a nice sunny day, but the last thing we want to do is look at the sun. It's definitely not safe. So in order to observe the sun, there's a number of things you can do. Number one, you could find a professional solar filter for the end of your telescope. This blocks 99.9% of the light. Then you can use a normal telescope. I use this with a reflector. Most of us don't have those. Or you could use a beast like this. This here is a professional solar telescope. It's a refractor. With this, we can look directly at the sun. We can see sunspots. We can see the prominences, the things that look like little flames on the sun. With the first one I showed you, we just see sunspots. Trouble is, that's quite special to the equipment. There is a way to safely observe the sun, and you can make the system at home. All you need is a box. Now I have a box here, a fairly large one. To prepare this, take the lining out of the box. We'll use part of this lining later. Then, in one end of the box, pick this end here, we're going to make a big hole. That hole we will place towards the sun. Now, you may want to get some help because you'll need a knife or a good pair of scissors. So let's just cut a hole. About center. It does not have to be pretty. And notice I still have all my fingers. Now, this hole is going to point towards the sun, but we don't want a whole bunch of sun in. We just want a little bit. This is a pinhole observer. We take a piece of foil, big enough to cover the hole. Tape it on. It's nice if it's nice and smooth. That. Across here. And one more for the bottom. Now, it's called a pinhole observer, but I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use a tack, which I just dropped. I'm going to make a hole in the very center. The hole, you don't want it to be large, but you do want it to be smooth and round, otherwise it will ruin the image of the sun. Just poke a simple hole in there. Now, that hole, quite small, is going to let sunlight in. On the back of the box, we'll need something white. Fortunately, we can use this part of the box, or you can use a piece of paper, whatever you have around. And just a little bit of getting water. Now, it's almost finished. Use a piece of paper, just a normal sheet of paper, tape to the back. The trouble is, light will get in. So, I'm going to take the bottom of our box here. If you have some dark tape, you can just tape over it. I'll use this piece. Tape here. A little bit of tape here. Here. And then we'll be very careful we don't lift the tin foil on the other end. And we'll take here, here, here. Now, we have an awful lot of flaps on this box, so we'll just cut this off like that. Now I'm going to take this flap here, just to try and keep it fairly dark on the end of the white paper. There. Now in order to use this, we simply take it outside, point it at the sun. The sunlight will shine through the hole and make an image of the sun on the screen. It'll be easy and quite safe to observe. It's oftentimes too light around to see it well. So sometimes what I do is I take the box, flip it over, kind of put it over my head, and then get my head part way in, and I can see. Simple pinhole viewer, make it out of any box you find. Thank you.